Team meteorologist Scott Pilie.
Welcome back. Happy Monday, everyone. A very hot, steamy weather day yet again across Acadiana. Not too much rainfall to speak of for most of the daytime hours. Things certainly changing this evening, and we'll talk more about that in a second. High temperature today in both Lafayette and Opelousas is 96 degrees, well above the average of 91. Most spots today ranging between 3 to 4 degrees above the average. Then late this afternoon, we were tracking a pretty hefty band of showers and storms in southeast Louisiana, and here they are, arriving later than typical for our normal summertime weather pattern, all thanks to a low pressure system towards our east. We'll talk more about that here in a second, but here's the Doppler radar image this evening. Lots of heavy rain and a pretty vicious amount of lightning within the past 15 minutes from Maurice to Milton, south of Broussard, all across Erath, Delcombe. The lightning rolling towards the south. Also keep in mind some of these thunderstorms packing a little bit of a wind potential as well. They're non-severe at this moment, but as they track towards the south and west from Abbeville to Delcombe and Erath and also close to Avery Island, there could be some wind gusts as high as 40 miles per hour, so probably best to head indoors. Currently towards the north in St. Landry Parish, you were dry all day, and then notice within just the past 10 minutes we've kind of seen this activity sprout up with the combination of some remnant daytime heating and a lot of tropical moisture moving into the area. These thunderstorms could persist for a little bit, so watch out for some ponding on the roadways. Now further to the south and towards the east, we're drying out, so the redevelopment of showers and storms overnight doesn't look that widespread. Things begin to change by the morning hours, and that's in response to this. Notice this counterclockwise spin south of Gulfport. This is a broad kind of area of low pressure that with time is going to begin to move from the east towards the west and give us more of a rain chance. So a stormy weather pattern is on the way. Keep that umbrella close by the next 7 days. Here's the deal. Tuesday and into Wednesday, which happens to be 4th of July, numerous showers and storms are on the way, some of which could be heavy and also pack a little bit of a punch with lightning and gusty winds possible. Then, as we head throughout the next couple of days, of course, we've been remarkably dry, so we need the rainfall. We're just kind of hoping that it comes in short enough waves that we don't have any major flash flood concerns. At this point, 2 to 4 inches of rain appears likely the next 72 hours, which could give us a localized flash flood threat. Some pockets of rainfall above 6 inches does look possible. So again, here's the setup. We were dry most of the day. Then this complex of showers and storms originated in South Mississippi. It's been trekking from east to west all day. That is because this is kind of a feature that is kind of tropical in nature. You can see that broad counterclockwise spin south of Mobile. This feature, as we head towards tomorrow and into the daytime hours on Wednesday, is going to be moving our way. We're not expecting any tropical development with this. The National Hurricane Center keeping an eye on it. Of course, they're now giving it a 0% chance of formation within 48 hours and a 3-day potential of 0% as well. Why are we not expecting it to develop? It's very close, if not over land at this hour, so it really can't get it to act together any more than it's already at. Here's our Futurecast model tonight. Kind of a little bit speculative about the accuracy of this forecast model because it's not showing anything on the radar image at this hour, and we know that we're already dealing with rain. So take the forecast model with a grain of salt, but keep in mind it's been doing pretty well the past couple of days. Here we are 3 o'clock in the morning, and we're seeing kind of some spotty activity redeveloping. Then as we head towards tomorrow, what we're going to have to watch out for are these narrow bands of heavy rainfall that look to set up. Notice how they're kind of north to southerly oriented. That could lead to some hefty rainfall totals in some localized areas. How much rain are we expecting? Brief check at our rainfall total amount. Most spots are going to pick up anywhere from 2 to 4 inches of rain, and our rain chances not going anywhere. We are expecting a pretty good dose of showers and storms nearly every day over the next 7 days. The positive, high temperatures in the upper 80s to near 90. That's a look at your weather forecast. Some more news is coming up. Stick with us.